Sentence patterns. In the morning, I go jogging, take a shower and go to the office. Asa ni jogingo shite shawa o abite keisha ikimasu. Explanation. Asa means morning. Jogingo means jogging. Shawa means shower. Abite means take a shower. Kaisha means office. Ikimasu means go. We dined at a restaurant after the concert was over. Konsato no ato de restoran de shukuji o shimashita. Explanation. Konsato means concert. Ato means after. Restaurant means restaurant. Shukuji means dining. Shimashita means did. The food is delicious in Osaka. Osaka no tabimono wa oishii desu. Explanation. Osaka means Osaka. Tabimono means food. Oishi means delicious. This personal computer is light and handy. Kono pasokon wa karokote benri desu. Explanation. Kono means this. Pasokon means personal computer. Karokote means light. Benri means handy. What did you do yesterday? Keno wa nani o shimashita ka? Tushukan di hono karete. Soshite tomodachi ni aimashita. Explanations. Keno means yesterday. Toshukan means library. Hun means book. Karite means borrowed. Tomodachi means friend. Aimashita means met. How do you go to your university? Daigako e do yatte ikimasu ka? Kyoto iki kara 16番のバスに乗って大学までおります. Explanation. Daigako means university. Doyatte means how. Kyoto Eke means Kyoto Station. 16番 no bus means bus number 16. Notte means right. Daigakumae means in front of the university. Orimas means get off. What are you going to do after getting back to your country? Kuni ni kaita ato nani o suru tsumori desu ka? Chichi no kaisha de hataraku tsumori desu. Explanation. Kuni means country. Kaita means returned. Ato means after. Nani o suru means what to do. Tsumori means plan to. Chichi means father. Kaisha means company. Hataraku means work. Which person is Mr. Santos? Santos-san wa dono hito desu ka? Ano se ga takakute kami ga kuroi hito desu. Explanation. Santos-san means Mr. Santos. Dono hito means which person. Sega takakote means tall. Kamiga kuroi means with dark hair. What kind of city is Nara? Nara wa donna machi desu ka? Shizuka de kirei na machi desu. Explanation. Nara is the name of the city. Donna machi means what kind of city. Shizuka means quiet. Kirei means beautiful. Who is that person? Ay, ano hito wa dare desu ka? あれはカリナさんです。インドネシア人で、富士大学の留学生です。Explanation. あの人 means that person. Dare means who. Karina-san means Miss Karina. Indonesia jin means Indonesian. Fuji Daigaku means Fuji University. Ryogakusei means overseas student. Conversation. Tell me how to use this machine. Excuse me, could you tell me how to use this machine? Sumimasen, Kono kikai no tsukai kata o oshiete kudasai. Explanation. Sumimasen means excuse me. Kono means this. Kikai means machine. Tsukai kata means how to use. Oshiete kudasai means please tell me. Bank clerk, you want to make a withdrawal? Hikidashi o shimasu ka? Explanation. Hikidashi means withdrawal. Shimasu ka means do you want to? Yes. Hai. Hai means yes. Then please push this button first. それでは、まずこのボタンを押してください。Explanation. それでは means then. まず means first. この means this. ボタン means button. 押してください means please push. Yes. はい。はい means yes. Do you have a cash card? キャッシュカードはありますか？キャッシュカード means cash card. ありますか means do you have? Yes, here it is. はい、ここにあります。はい means yes. ここに means here. あります means is. Put it in here and enter the code number. ここに入れて、コード番号よりよく知ってください。ここに means here. 入れて means put. コード番号 means code number. よりよく知ってください means please enter. Yes, はい。Next, enter the sum. 次に金額をよりよく知ってください。次に means next. 金額 means sum. よりよく知ってください means please enter. 50,000 yen. 5. 5万円 5. 5万円 means 50,000 yen. Push this man and yen. And then push this kakunin button. この万と yen 押してください。それからこのカコネンボタンを押してください。この means this, man means 10,000, yen means yen. 押してください means please push. それから means and then. カコネン means confirm. Button means button. Got it. Thank you very much. わかりました。ありがとうございます。わかりました means got it. Got it. ありがとうございます means thank you very much. Reference words and information. ATM. No. 使い方. How to use an ATM. How to withdraw money. お引き出し. Drawing out. Reference words. O azokere. Deposit. Azokere means to deposit. Oforikumi. Payment. Forikumi means to make a payment. Oforikai. Transfer. Forikai means to transfer money. Okidashi. Drawing out. Hikidashi means to withdraw. Chuchu, can you updating your passbook? Chuchu means passbook. Can you means entry. Zandaka shukai, balance inquiry. Zandaka means balance. Shukai means inquiry. Anshubango, personal identification number. Push button. Usu, push. Usu means to push. Wikidashi means withdrawal. Insert your card. Kado, ereru, insert your card. Kado means card. Ereru means to insert. Enter your personal identification number. Ansho bango o nyoriyoko suru. Enter your personal identification number. Ansho bango means PIN. Nyoriyoko suru means to enter. Enter the amount. Press button. Kengaku nyoriyoko suru. enter the amount. Yen also press the yen button. Kengaku means amount. Yen means yen, also means to push. If the amount is correct, press button. Kakoni no osu, press the confirm button. Kakoni means confirmation, also means to push, take out notes. Shihei o toridasu, take out notes. Shihei means notes, bills. Toridasu means to take out. ATM, how to withdraw money. Deposit, payment, transfer, drawing out, updating your passbook balance inquiry. First, push button, insert your card, enter your personal identification number. Fourth, enter the amount, press button. If the amount is correct, press the button and take out notes. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Mata ne!